Ciao! Bienvenido! Welcome to pasta arrabiata. So arrabiata means angry sauce. So this is a spicy, fiery, simple tomato sauce. The pure elegance of this dish is simplicity. It really is. It's elegant, it's fantastic, it's delicious. And we're going to show you how to take it to the next level. Okay, so first step, we've got a pot of boiling water. It's on a nice gentle roll and we've added a good pinch of salt to it. So it's 2 liters of salt. We put in like a good generous pinch of salt. The purpose why we do that is so it seasons the pasta from within. Most of that salt will go down the drain, so don't worry. I've 200 grams of pasta of choice. Traditionally it's penne. We're going to go with mezze maniche regate. Excuse me if I didn't Which is just little small tubes.
Little tubes. In it goes.
Use wholemeal for healthier. We're using white just because it looks a little fancy.
And
we're going to cook this as per the instructions on the back of the packet. So while that's cooking, we're going to make our tomato sauce. Pan on lower heat or to medium heat.
Pan on high, medium heat.
High to medium heat. We're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. So traditionally fresh chili would be used, but we want to make this store cupboard staples. We want to just show how simple it is using chili flakes. Flakes will distribute their flavor grand. You could use chili powder alternatively. Okay, so while this is heating up, what we want is the chili to disperse throughout the oil and slightly dark. And while that's happening, I'm just going to chop 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so once the oil started to go slightly yellow or kind of fleck of reddish as the chili is dispersed through it, we're gonna add in our garlic. We're only gonna fry our garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes until it goes golden. We don't want it to go past golden because then it's gonna burn and be slightly bitter. So pasta started to go golden. It was garlic has started to go golden. Realistically, it was only about a minute. Next step, we've got 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Try to go with as good quality as you can. You can use fresh, but using tinned is actually easier, and I guess during this time it works great. We have 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. You can leave this out and let it reduce, but we wanted to speed this process up and just make it really quick so that the pasta cooks the same time as the sauce.
Okay, so pasta's boiled. It is officially nice and sauce.
Okay, one top tip, take a mug and just scoop out a little bit of the pasta water. Obviously this is seasoned, this has salt in it, but we can use this to thin out our sauce if required.
Okay, we're gonna drain and rinse the pasta.
Our pasta sauce is nice, it's reduced, it's shiny, it's thick, it smells fabulous.
Okay, time to add in our pasta.
So that's just 200 grams of dried pasta which we've cooked. Spread it through really nicely. And as I mentioned, if it does seem a little bit too thick, just add a little bit of the pasta water. Just a small amount. Okay. Now, most important part, just before you serve it, is to season it. So when you're seasoning, you're trying to balance those 5 flavors: salt, sweet, acid, bitter, umami. So we're going to start with a pinch of salt because salt is the basic flavor. Where no amount of fancy cooking technique. I'm going to go with a little bit of black pepper.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah.
Very simple,
isn't it?
Lovely.
And then just in terms of seasoning, so we've gone in with salt, we've got a little bit of black pepper, the tomato is carrying a sweetness, also a bit of acidity. I'm going to increase the acidity slightly. I'm going to add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of balsamic or red wine vinegar or vinegar of choice. It's just going to add a little bit of sharpness which will go well with the chili. I'm just putting some fresh basil leaves just to garnish it. They will wilt down. If you don't like basil, just replace with any other herb of choice.
So finally, all that's left to do is to taste. Would you like a piece, my dear brother?
Oh, lovely, yes. Thank you. It's simple, it's elegant. It tastes like something that your mom would have made for you.
The garlic and chili undertones are fantastic. Basil high notes, tomato sweetness, delicious in the middle.
It tastes like a friend Borca from País Basco used to make poor man's pasta. It was literally pasta, chili and oil, and it was so incredibly tasty. And this tastes like it's kind of more sophisticated brother or sister.
Really
It's
is.
delicious, it's simple, it's tasty. Do try it.
Yeah, let us know if you try it. Comment down below.
Full recipe down below.
Yep, link to that. Thanks for watching and catch you later.
Cheers.